No, we aren't.
Oh my gosh, people are taking pictures.
Wait, let me see what you're doing.
No, we're recording, not taking pictures.
No, I mean, okay, wait, you can't. No, wait, okay, let me record the screen.
Recording more.
boring.
I know that's boring.
Dale's wall is boring.
You mean
It's
this?
Dale's wall. Right, Cameron?
And I think this. Oh no, that's your bag.
Right, Cameron, it's Dale's wall.
Yep. It's creepy wall.
Where are the other PC knives? I mean, like, I thought Dawson would have been here already.
Felicia's coming.
There she is.
I saw her on the way here.
There she is. Camera can't see her.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Are you taking a picture of Rachel?
No. Something.
Dude, I can't zoom in while filming. It sucks.
Oh, teacher.
Where? What? Oh, no, that's not
Teacher just went past her.
Did she see you?
No.
And there's the other PC guy. Little gal.
He's taping a person.
Or guy.
On video.
Yeah. It's fun, right?
Tired.
Yeah, well, I woke up at 5.
Oh! What?
I woke up at 5.
Then had a shower and came out in the freezing cold.
I woke up at 7:30, downloaded
Oh, I'm
YouTube
not.
Movies Maker, and was so excited because I don't know how to work it, but I'm going to figure out. That was the second bell. I mean, first bell.
That is?
First bell? Yeah. Good.
Is there anything interesting going on today? Oh, we have gym.
Yeah, just I like your recording more, but I'm gonna listen to you can't anymore.
I found you.
I think you're
Hey, we're always talking on the second.
going a long way.
Okay.
Why not?
Because I'm too tired.
Yeah.
You go to bed early. Dude, then you have to wake up at 5 a.m. Yeah, go to bed. Dude, I have to wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Oh, boo.
Can I ask you something? What?
No.
Him.
Yeah.
Why doesn't he like you?
I don't know, because his bigger brother.
I don't think that's really asking. And his bigger brother doesn't like me. What is this fucker doing?
Dude, I'm gonna get so weird footage now. Give me that camera.
Hey, Kalisha, am I coming over? I don't. Oh yeah. Finger.
Shut up. I have to walk slowly so I can get enough footage.
Can you guys play?
Dude, I'm a little drunk.
Achoo!
I'm not drunk, I'm just really tired.
I got a big cold.
Dude.
Achoo!
I was driving to hockey this morning. Someone was smoking in the car in front of us, and like all the fumes were coming back into the window.
Oh, don't go on. Can you call There's a car.
Recording battle again, huh?
Yeah.
Wanna go, Collins?
Yeah.
My sister knows her.
Davies.
Yeah, there's a car.
Be your last to come over.
Yeah.
Go, hurry. Recording battle.
Should I be the one that's crossing?
Dude, I didn't even end the call. My mom predicts exactly everything we said. Captain Morgan.
Freeman.
Achoo!
Did you see what I was doing?
Achoo! And you pushed me.
Dude, why do all the funny things have to happen when I'm not showing you?
I know, exactly. I got him right on the ground.
Cameron, look.
Up.
You have a
Okay,
bye.
See you, losers. Everybody say bye.
Oh, holy
Bye, Cameron.
Bye.
Bye, Dawson.
Bye.
Bye, Kalisha.
Bye. Kalisha, is your sound going?
Yes. These are the BC guys, because we're...
And...
Baby! That's sad, Dawson. Oh. Dude, you're lucky you don't have cookies, or you would have gotten married. Oh, that's not nice. Wait, I'm gonna wait till you officially start walking up the hill to be lazy. And turn off the video camera.
I'll be right back. I forget something.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Hey, Vinny. Hi.
Amy, go now there. What's your focus hold? Go get cookies!
Mhm. Walking home is boring. Very, very boring. Wait, this is probably the end of the vlog. Vlog. Wow. We suck at making vlogs. Oh well. Yeah. Hope you liked it. 'Cause I think I did. I might have. Then again, I really don't know. I haven't watched this yet, probably. Actually, while you're watching it, I probably have watched it. Well, I've maybe watched it, because, oh, never mind. You don't want to hear it. Or you're going to, spam me with trolling. You be trolling, Omegle. I mean, you be trolling YouTube. Okay, bye.